To create a proposal in the Crop Edge proposal app, when you get to the landing page, you're going to go to My Growers. What that's going to do is pull up a list of all the growers that are in Crop Edge under your Seed Advisor account. You're just going to touch one of your growers from the left-hand side. You can either search or go in alphabetical order to find your grower. You'll notice that the segment, the Acura segment that they are currently designated at will show in the header. If they have any proposals, it'll show in the section below. And if not, you just create a new proposal. Now from the proposal screen, you can give the proposal a name. I'm just going to name this one Test. Now, the first thing you do is build products. If you have any favorites that are designated in Crop Edge, you can pull those up and you can pull them into your proposal by hitting the check mark right beside them. And then you could enter in the units that you wanted to have for each product. Go through my corn and my soybeans. Now, once I have that, I can either go right to my discounts, or if I didn't have any favorites listed, I could go to my corn or soybean product search from the header. And you can select different parameters, either by maturity. You can designate which maturity ranges you want to pull in, different packaging types. If you wanted to pull in any specific trait packages, you could do that as well. And then you can see the list filtered down, and then just hit the check mark once you find the products that you're looking for. Now, once you have your proposal built with the products that you're looking for, the first thing you want to do then is go to your discounts, which is up in the header. If you wanted to apply any sort of a local grower discount, or if they were a seed producer, you can see that they are designated as an acquire customer because they did not have a grower order on file with us last year, so therefore they're a new customer. So that's automatically given with the Acura offer. If they are participating in cross-sell, you can toggle that on, competitive allowance, and then early pay. For purpose of this demo, I'm going to designate this a cash customer, and I'm just going to select that first pay period so that they get the full credit for that 13% early pay cash. And I'm just going to apply this discount onto the proposal. Now, when I'm done with that, I can hit the save button, which is going to create that record in the system. And now that's going to be an actual proposal that gets sent over to Crop Edge. And that's a two-way interface that goes between the app and Crop Edge to share that information. So now you can see it and update it both in Crop Edge and in the proposal app. Once I do that, I can go out to my share button, which is on the lower right-hand side, and hit share. And this is going to give you a preview of what the PDF output will look like. You can see that in the header, I've got my different pay periods designated. I've got my September, October, November, and December, and you can see my farm gate price at each one of the different pay periods that they can see represented. Moving down a little further down, you can see I've got my acquire 13% discount applied, and then I've got my 13% cash, which is what I designated on the discount screen. Now, if I wanted to hide the farm gate at the line level, I'll hit that little check mark at the bottom. And what that does in the top is it now hides each product individual price, and it just shows my total crop level farm gate price at each pay period. Likewise, on the bottom, if I wanted to hide certain pay periods, if I only wanted to show them maybe the next upcoming pay period, I could uncheck the rest of them, and it would just show the periods I wanted to show to the grower. If I go up and hit share again, up on the top, now that's going to give me the option to either email or text that to the grower, or I could send it to myself if I wanted to just send that PDF to myself as well. So that's another option you have through the app. This is the iPad version. You also have the available on the iPhone, which I'll show in a different demo. I'm just going to send it through Gmail to myself in this case as a test proposal, and then hit send. And that's going to send that proposal as a PDF now to my email inbox. And that completes creating a proposal on the iPad app.